Halloween from the layout in the Upside Down.
Hello, model railroaders. So, as promised, in the Glacier gravel kit build number 6, I am going to show you putting this kit on the layout. And here's a couple of things we need to know ahead of time. All right. When I designed this whole layout, and I knew I was going to put the gravel company on the layout, but I went ahead and I put Kato track all the way around. Well, that turned out to be not such a great idea. So this kit was designed to have flat track on the baseboard. On the base of the layout. And unfortunately, when I used the Kato track, it is raised by almost over 1/8 of an inch. So what I found out is I don't have clearance for the N scale cars and the locomotives. Now, here's the thing. I don't think the locomotives are supposed to go through the gravel company. But on my layout, because of the size that it is, I need the locomotives to go through it. So what I've done is I have heavily modified this kit. And you can see I've cut out these openings quite a bit more. Not a very good job either. But this side is really bad, but it's going to be hidden by the hoppers. So the deal is that I am going to put this kit right about there. And what I've done is I've taken cork and built up around the track. And what that gives me is, the lifted height for the kit. And I had to raise the hopper even further. Because of the cross beams here on the hopper, I can't get anything through there. So I'll give you another angle here in a minute, but let's put this on, if I can get it in there. All right. I think I've got it in the right place. So basically, that's what I have. All right, to give you another view here, there's the hopper on the other side of the kit. I had to modify the opening of that, and I also had to raise that hopper quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is, with that extra layer of cork down there to raise it up, I'm going to paint that to make it look like concrete and hope for the best. So there we go. Now here's the thing, with this raised cork here, trying to get this kit up higher, what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve these down, I'm going to form them a little bit, and I'm going to swab glue all around this place, and I'm going to put ballast on it. And also, as you can see, I have the conveyors here. I have glued ballast to the top of the conveyor. And here's the other one. All right, so these chutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these here, and around the legs of my layout here, I'm going to build a hill which will be coated by ballast, and that's going to be my quarry for the rock. And then on this side, I'm going to put this one here, and I don't know the exact angle yet, but I'm going to put that somewhere in that neighborhood there. Let's see if I can get you down there a little. All right, there we go. So that's basically what it's going to look like. Now, between the cork and the chute going over here to a hill, okay, I know it's not very realistic, but hey, what about this layout is realistic? Come on, folks. So anyway, we'll see how that works. Oh, by the way, I am not going to glue the building down yet. There's a pretty good chance I'm going to put some lights in there eventually. So I'm not going to glue that down, but I am going to get it in place, and I'm going to put ballast around the outside of it. Okay, so let's see if it works. Pardon my camera angles here, but oh, we're going backwards. All right, there we go. So now with this thing raised up, I should be able to get the train right through it. Put the empty car right under that hopper, and Bob's your uncle. There we go. Hopefully that's focused, but yeah. So that's it. That is the gravel company on the layout, folks.
Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween.